So I am going to explain you an example of neighbor joining method, that how a phylogenetic tree can be constructed to the neighbor joining method. So these are the hypothetical distance matrix for 6 taxa, that is n is equal to 6. So this is hypothetical distance matrix, like you can see here that a distance between a to b is 5, a to c is 4, a to d is 7, a to e is 6 and a to f is 8. Same with b to c is 7, b to d is 10, b to e is 9 and 11, b to f is 11, and so on. So these distances shows that how closely the species are related to each other. Lower the value, or you can say distance between two taxa, more closely the species are or taxas are related to each other. So there are many steps to calculate to draw a phylogenetic tree by NJ method. So come to the first step, that is calculate the net divergence for each taxa from all other taxa. So formula is that R is equal to total distance of particular taxa from all other taxa, that is di1 plus di2 plus din. Okay, so these are the some examples, like you have to calculate the net divergence, that is total distance of taxa A from all other taxa. So a to b is 5, a to c is 4, a to d is 7, a to e is 6 and a to f is 8. Then calculate it and you'll get 30. Same with b, when you go through it, like distance between a to b is 5 and b to c is 7 plus b to d is 10 and plus b2 is 9 and plus b2f is 11, you'll get 42. Okay, now come to the step 2. You have to calculate now new distance matrix. Firstly you have to calculate net divergence and then you have to calculate new distance matrix using the formula for each pair of taxa. Here you can see for each pair of taxa, means you have to calculate for two taxa, and here you have to net divergence for one taxa. Okay, so the formula is mij is equal to dij minus ri plus rj by n minus 2. Okay, now this is an example for calculating new distance matrix between a and b. So mab is equal to dab minus ra plus rb by n minus 2. And what is the distance between A and B? Let me show you from the parent matrix. So this is the parent matrix, or you can say first matrix. So distance between A and B is 5 and these are the divergence, that is value of R. So here RA is equal to 30 and RB is equal to 40. Now put it in formula, like 5 minus the value of R is equal to 30, RB is equal to 42 and by what is n? N is the number of taxa and we have 6 taxa. So 6 minus 2, and when you calculate you will get minus 30. So similarly all the distances are calculated as we will fill the matrix. Okay, now we will start with a star tree. I have calculated only for one, you can calculate for others too. Now we will start with a star tree where all the species are equidistant from the single parent node. You can see here that B, C, D, E, A and F all are equidistant from the single node. This is node. Okay, now come to the step 3 where using this new matrix. So this is our new matrix, and first one was parent matrix or first matrix. So this box is our new matrix. So using this new matrix, find the closest pair of taxa ij. Consider the lowest distance. You have to consider here, find here smallest distance. You can see here that A and B as well as D and E is the smallest distance, that is minus 30. Okay, and assign it as U as the connecting node for that pair, and branch length is then calculated as by using this formula is IU is equal to Dij by 2 plus Ri minus Rj by 2 n minus 2, and SJU is equal to Dij minus SIU. Okay, now see, through the matrix M, the closest pair of taxa is like AB. Let me show you again. Here you can see A to B is minus 30 and D to E is minus 13. Okay, so through the matrix the closest pair of taxa is AB as well as DE, that is minus 13. Right now we are going to take for only AB. So the distance from U to A and U to B is S. So SAU is equal to DAB. Put it in formula by 2 plus RA minus RB by 2n minus 2. So from the parent matrix you will get DAB is equal to 5. 5 by 2 plus what is divergence between divergence of A 30 and divergence of B 42. 30 minus 42 by 2 by and n is equal to taxa 6 minus 2, and we will get after calculating 1. Similarly, SBU is equal to DAB minus SAU. So DAB is distance between A and B is 5. From the parent matrix, minus 1 is equal to 4. Now draw a tree considering U as a single node and A and B is diverged from there. Okay, so U as a single node and A and B is calculated. So we have got A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4. Now come to the step 4. So it is calculate the new distance from U to all other taxa. So we have calculated for only 2 taxa and rest of the taxa are left. So we have to calculate the new distance from U to all other taxa. The distance D UK between U and taxa represented as K here is S. So DUK is equal to DIK plus DJK minus DIJ by 2. So here these are the examples. DUC will be calculated as put the DU DAC plus DBC minus DAB by 2 is equal to put the distance from the parent matrix, that is 4 plus 7 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. Distance between AC is 4 and distance between BC is 7 and distance between AB is 5. So when we put it in formula by 2 we will get 3. Same with DUD, DAD plus DBD minus DAB by 2, that is 4 plus 7 minus 5. Put these values from parent matrix by 2 we will get 6. Same with DUE we will get 5, and same with DUF we will get 7 after calculating. Now other distance remain as it is, so the new distance matrix will be as like that. Okay, so here we have fill the matrix by 3, 6, 5, 7 and others are distance remain as it is. Now the resulting tree will be as like that. Here you can put U as a single node, and here we have got A as the distance of A and U is only 1 and B and U is 4. So it is far away from U and A is nearer to U. Now considered it as a single entity. So now the number of taxa will be reduced. As earlier we have 6 taxa, but now we will get n is equal to n minus 1, that is only 5 taxa. And the entire step is repeated till we get n is equal to 4, and then again until we get n is equal to 0 by calculating this. And then finally we get a phylogenetic tree where all the taxonomic units are arranged in a particular way, showing the distance from the common node. Thank you.